The Yellow Belly, a cocktail that is named after a classic insult your grandparents would use when getting road rage and offering someone out at the traffic lights for a scrap. But alternatively, it does sound like some creature from the southern hemisphere that could kill you in one bite, although this drink doesn't come across as particularly potent. The ingredient lineup: citrus vodka, which hasn't seen daylight since I last made some lemon drops, limoncello, fresh lemon juice and simple syrup. Let's kick this off by adding 1 ounce, that's 30ml of citrus vodka to the shaker. Then add 1 ounce, that's 30ml of limoncello. Follow this up with 1/4 ounce, that's 7.5ml of simple syrup. Lastly, add 1 ounce, that's 30ml of fresh lemon juice. Add ice and shake for around 10 to 13 seconds. History-wise, this drink was thought to have been created in the 1990s in London, which was the height of the vodka craze in the UK. Double strain into a coupe glass or a small martini glass. Garnish with a bit of lemon peel. The taste test. This one definitely lives up to its era. It's giving me alco pop vibes, a bit like hooch. It's very sweet, almost dessert-like. A complete lemon overkill, but of the artificial variety. Certainly lacks a dry component. But is it a terrible drink? No. But would it be something I want to drink all night? Certainly not. I wouldn't object, for an example, if this was a drink in place of a dessert after dinner. But that's it. I'm going to give this one a 5.6 out of 10.